So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now here comes the gold, right? We did analysis for today, which is for the fourth. We talked about gold giving us a bullish move, and guess what? We've gotten that bullish move on our gold. You can see it. Also yesterday we actually talked about getting a bullish move on gold. And the price gave us a bullish move. So we talked about actually hitting this level, which is level of 184.5 or something like that. Though gold gave us a bullish move, no doubt about that. So before we actually go ahead and predict where this price will moving for the next day, which is for the fifth, we would want to know the trend. We can clearly see the trend, which is an uptrend move. Secondly, we can see this price is trading above the 10 period moving average. So since we are having an uptrend move and price is trading above this moving average, then definitely all what we want to go ahead is look for a buy position. So that is what we'll be looking for. So this level now is what I'll be watching out for gold, which is a level of 1877. Currently, gold is trading at 1854. So I'll be watching out for a level of 1877. Let's see if we will be able to hit that level before this week finish. And let me zoom in. Let me see. A pullback is playing out, right? So you can clearly see on the forward time frame. You can see higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Now a pullback has been made on this gold. What do you now expect? Of course, we expect a further bullish move. So this gold, right? I think we should all make a bullish move for the next. So we should expect, because pullback has just played out, right? Now it's now time for buyers to come in and push this price up. So the next day, which is for Thursday on the 5th of January, we should actually also get a bullish move.